Y.
Yeah, that's a Y. Oh my gosh, where did the letters go? What's that? What's that?
O.
Oh, good. What's this?
D.
T, right. What's this?
C.
C, good. What's this one?
E.
What's that? What's that again?
O.
What's this again?
C.
What's this?
C. 1.
Good.
1.
And what's this one? X, good. Do you remember this one?
A.
No, not A. J. What's this one? What's this one?
Y.
No, that's Y. What's this?
Y. Y.
What's that?
C.
Yeah.
C.
And what's this one? X. And what's this one?
O.
Good. Where's those other ones? Do you remember this one?
O.
N. Close.
No.
Oh, it's this one. You know this one. Eric. No, stop putting it in the floor.
S.
S. Good job. Here you go. You can have it. You don't know this one, do you?
E.
K. What's this one then? Oh, you found all the letters. Do you remember this one?
C.
And what's this one again?
S.
Good. What's this? Ready? What's this?
1.
And what's this?
1.
No, it's
1.
2. You know that one. Okay. What's that one?